Hey there, radicals! Welcome to an insightful journey into the world of health and wellness. Today, we're turning the spotlight on belly fat, a silent adversary with dangerous implications, linked to not just one or two, but four life-threatening diseases. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we unravel these mysteries. Remember, knowledge is power, and today we're diving deep into understanding the perils of belly fat. If you're a woman with a waistline of over 25 inches or a man with a waistline of 40 inches or more, you may be harboring a potentially dangerous amount of abdominal fat. Belly fat isn't just about those extra layers that you can see and grab. It goes deeper, much deeper. Often when we think of fat, we picture that subcutaneous fat, the kind that lies just under the skin. It's what we pinch and wish away. We call them love handles. But there's another type of fat, one that's far more insidious: visceral fat. This fat is nestled deep within your abdomen, wrapping itself around your vital organs. So what exactly causes this accumulation of belly fat? Well, it's not just one thing. A sedentary lifestyle is a major culprit. Our bodies are designed for movement, and without regular physical activity, we inevitably store more fat. Then there's stress. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that encourages the storage of belly fat. Poor sleep is another factor. Lack of restorative sleep disrupts our hormones and metabolism, leading to weight gain, especially around the belly. The environment we live in also plays a role. Certain chemicals known as endocrine disruptors can interfere with our body's natural fat regulation. And let's not forget about genetics. Some of us are just predisposed to carry extra weight in the belly, but that's not an excuse. Lastly, an unhealthy diet, high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats, can lead to an increase in belly fat. Belly fat, it seems, is more than just a vanity concern. It's a ticking time bomb. Hidden deep within, visceral fat is your body's silent enemy. It's not just an aesthetic concern, but a serious health risk, as it's closely linked to metabolic disorders. Your waistline isn't just about fitting into your favorite jeans, it's a direct reflection of your health. Let's delve into the danger zone, the health risks associated with excess belly fat. First on the list is type 2 diabetes. Excess abdominal fat can affect the way your body uses insulin, leading to insulin resistance, a precursor to diabetes. Next, we have cardiovascular disease. Did you know that belly fat produces inflammatory substances? Yes, it does. These substances can travel through your bloodstream, causing plaque to build up in your arteries, leading to heart disease, or worse, a heart attack. The danger doesn't stop there. Certain cancers also have a worrying connection to belly fat. Studies have shown an increased risk of breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers in those with excess abdominal fat. Lastly, belly fat can lead to high blood pressure. As your waistline expands, so does the strain on your heart, increasing your blood pressure. These aren't just empty words. These are scientifically proven facts supported by numerous studies and research. The more belly fat you have, the higher your risk of these diseases. But remember, it's never too late to make a change. So, how do you know if you're harboring this silent enemy, and what can you do about it? Well, let's start with getting to know our bodies better. If you're ready to take a step towards better health, start by measuring your waistline. Stand up straight, relax, and exhale. Remember, no sucking in that gut. With a soft tape measure, record your girth an inch or two above your hip bones. Make sure the tape measure fits snugly around you, does not push into your skin, and that it's leveled all the way around. Check the measurement and see what it reveals. Now, if your measurements suggest you might be in the danger zone, don't panic. It's not a life sentence, but a wake-up call. It's time to make some lifestyle adjustments. It's time to swap that cheeseburger for a salad, to choose stairs over elevators, to prioritize sleep, and to manage stress. It's time to start living to fight disease, rather than feed it. I understand, wellness transitions can seem hard. It can be daunting, especially if you're the only one in your household or immediate circle on that mission. But remember, you're not alone. The Raw Fam on Patreon is here to support you. We invite you to join us on our next 21 Days Raw Challenge. Comment Raw if you want to join. Remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, Raw love my radicals.